Hey everyone, stop burning your capital on meme coin trades. That game is designed to keep you broke. Today, I'm finally breaking my silence and revealing the real secret. The massive wealth in crypto isn't in trading, it's in making your own coin. I'm handing you my personal, step-by-step blueprint for launching your own tokens and pulling consistent daily profit. I'm giving you the raw, untapped cheat code right now. By the time we finish this, you'll know whatever you need to make a coin. Let's dive in.
But before we get to the live demonstration, I want to show you exactly what made me switch sides. Look at this chart right here. Nearly $3 million in market cap, almost 200,000 in liquidity. If you look, you get a tiny bit of action right at the start, and then nothing for ages and ages. Then you hit this tiny little pocket right here where it all kicks into high gear, and you've got this brief window of opportunity. Is it really just those 3 hours where you can actually make any money? This is exactly the kind of chart that gets a trader's heart racing, right? You cannot sit there for weeks trying to figure out whether it is going to go up or down. Now watch this. P and L's here, some of the top traders. Here it is. $332,000 in total value. $114,000 in realized profit over the last 30 days. And on this one coin, this guy took $10,000 in profit all realized. He sold every single token he had. This is the kind of trader you look at and think, how is he this good? And here is the truth about that wallet. The reason these top traders have incredible rates of P and L is probably because they either are a dev or they know a dev. This guy is not gambling. He is collecting. And that is the difference between trading and deving. The trader hopes the chart goes up, the dev decides whether it does. Even though meme coin trading has become insanely popular nowadays, you guys have to realize that most meme coins are not built to make you money, they are built around the people who launch them. The pattern is always the same. All they do, in most cases, is obviously pump and dump. Let me show you what I mean. Look at this chart right here, Rocket Coin. See this rapid step up? Everyone aping in, thinking they are early. And then look at this one massive red candle, straight to the bottom. And that is exactly why I stopped trading. In 2026, the traders will always lose and the devs will always win. Now, I am the one launching these coins and making thousands because I make money from my supply, which I sell from the top, and I make money from the creator fees, which come from every single transaction. I take a cut for myself. All we do is find a narrative, launch a coin out of it, and wait for the buyers to come in, and when they do, we sell our supply and move on to the next one. That is why deving is so insanely good, okay? I will show you how to create coins in this video, everything from start to finish. Keep watching, it is going to be insane. This video is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. Your capital is still at risk. I'm just here to explain how the process works. Now, launch memecoin.io. This is the platform that we are going to use to launch our coin, okay? Using a bit of Solana with no coding required. And by the way, this is the most gate-kept information from a lot of devs, and I am showing you the whole thing for free. That used to be a big stopper for people back in the day, but not anymore. You do not need to know how to code. You just need a bit of Solana, a bit of time, and the ability to push some buttons. And if you can do that, and I am sure you can, because you have managed to get to this video, then you can dev your own coins too and make some serious money. Now, when I launch my meme coins on chain, I have a different approach than most people. Most people make their coins on pump.fun. It is the most popular for selling all the meme coins. Now, here is the problem with launching coins on pump.fun. Most meme coins get no buyers. They go absolutely nowhere. No one sees them. No one buys them. If you dev a coin on Pump, you are competing against 10,000 other people who deved at the exact same time as you, on top of all the others that are already there. So that is why I launched my coins on Meteora using Dynamic on Axiom, okay? We can look at the Meteora market, which is different. The Meteora market has a lot less coins being developed, and also it has, a lot of people still investing in the coins. So you've got a chance of making a lot more money. Now, when it comes to launching our own coin, okay, as I said, you just need to push some buttons, no coding required. You just need a bit of Solana. So, in terms of how much Solana, typically I've got about $100 in my Phantom wallet or just over. So, yeah, just over $100 today. Now, here is exactly how to make a meme coin. You have a couple of strategies, right? Some people like to use the X Tracker, which is completely free, and they can turn tweets into meme coins. So, for example, if Elon Musk or Trump makes a tweet, you can turn that into a meme coin. Just put a name, symbol, and choose an image, and it is live from a tweet. Or you can use their custom creation coin system, where you can turn your own narratives into meme coins. Another great option, just like pump.fun. Or you can use my personal favorite strategy, which is copying coins. I've made all my money from this method. It is the same exact thing as vamping. Every single meme coin here is going viral on pump.fun. They are all proven, right? What that means is that there's a load of history behind those coins, there's already the momentum, there's already the hype, and we're just positioning ourselves to take full advantage of it. If you don't like the coins initially available, you can refresh and have a look at some more. Most of these will be a good choice for us, but you can see you've got different market caps, when they were last paired, etc. You look at the name and things like that, and whatever suits you best, just go for one and copy it. Just make sure that you don't copy the same coin twice, okay? That's all you have to keep in mind for. I chose it randomly, like I said. Click on copy coin. Your Phantom will show up. Now, initially, you are going to get this request block thing, so just click through the confirmations there. This is a normal part of the process. All this is just you acknowledging that capital is at risk, as it always is in the meme coin game. Give it a couple of seconds for it to show up. Boom. Now, we have created our coin. and it is minted on Solana, okay? And if I open Solscan right here as proof, you can see it was minted just a few seconds ago. Everything is completely on chain. Now, if I open my Phantom wallet, you will see the full 1 billion supply sitting right there. But right now, it is not on the market because it needs some initial capital. So, what we're gonna do is put a bit of Solana into our coin. Let us create the liquidity pool. Here is where we need to select Meteora, okay? Our coin will launch on Meteora. It has more volume of buyers than Raydium. Now, just follow along, okay? It is really, really simple. For the coins or the supply, click on 90% and make sure you click this preset for every single launch. There's a reason why this preset is automatically here. It is the best. Click on that. For the SOL to pair, put anywhere in between 0.2 to 1 SOL. You are not going to lose anything. This is just to seed the supply. At the end, when you cash out, this will come back. Before creating the pool, there is one step most people skip, and it is important. Get your coin more visibility on trading platforms like Axiom, Dex Screener, GMGN, and Birdeye. So for this, go to promotememes.fun. Your coin will be promoted on multiple trading platforms. Let us do it live. Connect your Phantom wallet, paste your token address, and choose your package. I am going with the advanced 0.5 SOL option for max reach. You can choose anything, just make sure you enable include free website. That part is very important. Upload your logo, set your token name, select Meteora, choose your theme, and confirm. Now click pay and promote. Your wallet pops up again, same process, click confirm, and that is it. You are done. Now watch this. Within seconds, it builds a clean website and starts promoting your coin to thousands of traders. And boom, the website is ready. Open it and you will see a proper landing page with token details, tokenomics, and chart links. Now go back to launchmemecoin.io. Click on create pool, ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm, checkbox, confirm, and then the coin will be created shortly. Just give it a couple of seconds, bang. Click on refresh, and boom, now it is live. You have your P and L counter right here. You have everything that you need for your coin, right? Let us go see the chart. Some people use Axiom, Nova, Photon, Terminal. Just go on the chart and go find your coin. Okay, it is important to see if your coin is doing well or not. As you guys can see, right now it is doing well. It is pumping, okay? We've only been running for a few seconds and already we're at 7K on our market cap. Yes, it came back down, but my goodness, what a cap to reach. So you can see here, there is tons of activity on this coin, which is gonna get people interested. And it's organic. Okay. Now, the way we've gotten to the organic isn't organic necessarily, but that doesn't matter because you can see here people are buying and selling. There's no, artificial, we haven't pumped up our own numbers or anything like that. We have just put ourselves within the view of everybody. If you come back to launchmemecoin.io and click on refresh, you can see how much we are up already within seconds. We are up to 300 bucks. This is our profit right now. Let your coin pump. Do not cash out. Do not be emotional, okay? I like to wait a couple of minutes so the coin can top out. Let the coin pump. Now, when I come back, I will show you how to cash out. So, enjoy the show. Guys, I am back, and as you guys can see, we're at a 14.6 thousand market cap, and yes, bro, we are going to cash out right now in front of you, okay? Come back to launchmemecoin.io. Now, let us give it a refresh and see what we are at now. We are looking at, drum roll please, ladies and gents, 2.6 thousand. So we are going to pull all that out of the coin now and put it straight into our pockets. Click on the minus button, do 100%, right? This is how much you want to take out. I just do all of it. Do remove liquidity. Ignore the block right here. Click on proceed, confirm, checkbox, confirm, and then we should be fully out of the meme coin. Bang, we just cashed out. And look, here is the proof, guys. 2.5K in your Phantom wallet. Okay, it went down a bit, but it is not a big deal. It is still profit. 33 Solana in our wallet. And if I open the chart, you can see we pulled the liquidity. We are on the correct side of the trade now. And that is the whole point of this game.
Want a free head start? I'm giving away 1 SOL to help 10-person cover their first dev fees. To enter, first subscribe, second like this video, third comment, rug pull below. I'll announce the winner in 48 hours on my Telegram. Make sure you're following the Telegram or you won't be eligible to win. Don't miss out. I'm dropping bags in there all the time.